The very best chicken is going to come out of a cast iron skillet every time. Listen, this chicken was so tasty, so tender, so delicious. I'm going to tell you all my little secrets. First, you just need to get you some olive oil, garlic powder, fresh ground black pepper, lemon pepper, Campbell's cream of chicken soup, and some chicken base. Real simple. You don't need a whole bunch of stuff. All it is the type of ingredients. And when I season my chicken, I do it when the chicken is cold. If not, when I season it to marinate it, I put it back in the refrigerator and let it get cold again for about an hour. It's something about that temperature and that chicken that they work together now. I always need my gloves on when I'm dealing with chicken, especially when it's cold, because cold sloppy chicken feels terrible, but it tastes delicious. So here we go. I make sure that I really get it marinated and saturated. I put the little olive oil on first so that when I put the garlic powder, the black pepper, the lemon pepper, and then the chicken base, and then lastly I do the soup so that it really gets in there and gets marinated and it touches and all of that stuff. Listen, after I get it thoroughly seasoned, and some say if you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoning, you really got to get it in there now. I'm going to brown it with some little olive oil in my cast iron skillet. I'm going to brown it first because I want it to be crispy. I'm going to put this in the oven and it's going to cook for like 2 hours. I'm going to put it on low in the oven, but I'm going to get me some crisp on this first. I'm going to put aluminum foil over my cast iron skillet and I'm going to let it cook low and slow. I like to do 250 for about an hour and a half or so. I check it, I look at it, and then the last half an hour, I take the aluminum foil off so that it really gets good and crispy and sizzly, because I just don't like soft chicken. Even when I do my chicken in the crock pot or the pressure cooker, I always throw it in the oven to get a crisp on it. I want to bite into something. I want to use my teeth. I don't want to feel like I don't have any teeth when I'm doing it. Now listen, it's the low and slow that gets it. And it's the seasoned cast iron skillet that does all the work. Now this skillet that I use is only for chicken. I got another skillet for steak and beef. And then I have one for fish. Just like my grandma did. I learned this something back in the day. Listen, this is going to be the best chicken experience you've ever had. And this is not my only one. I've done different cast iron skillet baking chicken videos, and I use different seasonings. I just wanted to simplify the seasoning process, and I really wanted to get me some lemon pepper chicken thighs. Chicken thighs are the best. They got the most flavor. And that fat on them is what you need too, because that helps with the flavor and getting it all marinating in there. I don't know how I forgot to mention the onion. Yeah, honey, a whole onion was in here. Somebody need to tell Big Daddy I got the baked chicken for him, honey. Yes.